Explaining the Anthony Davis and Luka Doncic trade in programming terms. All right, this trade is like replacing React with jQuery because it's easier to learn and is a modern framework. While jQuery is very well respected and old heads love it, and it used to be this really, really good tool that a lot of web developers used, new frameworks have come along over the years like React that makes it much easier to write code in. Anthony Davis in this situation is like jQuery. It used to be good, it used to be awesome, but over the years, Luka Doncic came in, and we don't need Anthony Davis anymore. We have Luka Doncic, which makes it much easier to play basketball, right? Another example of this would be taking a 40K year job at a small company that's going to die out soon instead of a six-figure job at a FANG company that gives you stock options. Do I need to be more obvious? Anthony Davis is this 40K year job, which a lot of people, it's a respectable position, but it's a very short-term thing. This company is going to die out soon, and you don't really know where the company is going. That's Anthony Davis. On the other hand, Luka Doncic is this position that everyone wants to be in. This six-figure FANG company, you're making a ton of money, you're working in an awesome job, you're getting stock options. That's Luka Doncic. He's this pinnacle player. This trade is like going from a brand new 2025 MacBook Pro, the best model out there, to a 5-year-old MacBook Air. MacBook Air at the time used to be good. It was okay, but over the years, we don't really need it anymore. There's much better technologies. It's a bit rusty. You run it now and it's just super slow. That's Anthony Davis. It's very buggy. It's very injury prone. You don't know how long it's going to last you. That's the MacBook Air. While Luka Doncic is this $3,000-$4,000 laptop that you can use all day and there'll be no issues at all. Finally, this trade is like hiring a junior developer instead of a senior developer for a position that requires a senior developer. What this trade entailed, right, is that the Mavericks expects Anthony Davis, this junior, to fill in a senior role. While in the case is that will just never be possible because it requires a senior or Luka Doncic to fill that role. They expect to win a championship with Anthony Davis, but it was Luka all along that was required for that position. So it was the company that hired the junior, and it should have been a senior. So yeah, this trade is honestly shocking and so idiotic. So hopefully you understand it, you programmers.